Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to clear system data on your iPhone iOS 26. For example, if you want to clear data from the iPhone because of some unknown reason, or you want to clear the data because you see any kind of craft files or like that. So how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply try to create a backup of all of your apps and photos and all the settings. And after that, if you want to remove the data of some specific app, you can simply do that without deleting the whole data of the iPhone. So you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to go to the apps. For example, if you want to delete the Safari data, then you have to look for that. And if you want to delete the Safari history and any kind of like that, so you have to scroll it down until you find the option of clear history and website data. So here you have to simply check for that. Moreover, you can simply check for that you want to delete the history of the today, last hour, today and yesterday, or if you want to delete all history. So you can simply click on that, and after that clicking on clear history, your data will be deleted from the Safari. Now if you want to delete any data of the apps, you have to simply go to the settings, and in settings you have to go to general, and after that you have to go to iPhone storage. And in iPhone storage, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of that app. For example, if you want to delete the Facebook data, then here you have to simply click on offload app. As you click on offload app, all of the data of the app will be deleted from here. But if you want to delete all of the system data of the iPhone, then you have to simply go to the settings again, and you have to click on general. And after that, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to simply click on erase all content and settings. Here you can simply find all of the option is available. So you can find the option as here. You can simply click on that, and after that you can simply go back, and after that you can click on continue, and your all of the data will be deleted from here. So hope you have liked this. If you can get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.